Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Tesla Model S cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and two new HEPA cabin air filters. Next, park your Model S on a flat, stable surface and ensure the climate control system is completely off. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, taking about 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's access the filter housing. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry down the passenger footwell panel. Once loose, disconnect the two electrical connectors attached to the panel. This provides clear access. Next, locate the filter housing cover, which is usually secured by three small screws. These steps reveal the old filters, ready for removal. With the housing exposed, unscrew the cover and carefully pull out the two old filters. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrows on the old filters. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, insert your two new HEPA filters, making sure their airflow arrows point towards the front of the vehicle. This ensures proper air circulation and filtration. Finally, let's reassemble everything. First, reattach the filter housing cover, securing it firmly with its three screws. Next, reconnect the two electrical connectors to the passenger footwell panel. Gently push the panel back into its original position until it clicks securely into place. You have successfully changed your Tesla Model S cabin air filters, improving your driving environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.